Hello.
Hi.
It's day 9.
We're still concerned about ticks. We found a few in our jeans.
Only in our jeans, which were in the Ziplocs, which is a little bit reassuring.
Pants we're wearing, so it makes sense.
Yeah.
That we found a few.
So they're here. We found what, 2 on each pants, or 1 on mine and 2 on yours, I think. So we're still like taking everything out, trying to figure out. But yeah, and the start of the day is not great. But after we're gonna go to the little lake that's over there. Woo!
Are we?
I am.
For how long?
Do you not want to?
What day is it?
Day 9.
Are you filming?
I am.
Yeah. Okay. Look at this. Nice sand. Water. I'm scared of ticks.
Our campsite is like right behind this little thing, like over there.
We're getting a tick off our tent. We don't know how it ended up there.
Yeah.
And I was trying to throw the tick into the bush, but instead I threw the whole tweezers.
So the tweezers we bought yesterday are now gone, so we are gonna probably buy new ones.
We haven't found anything.
I don't want to find anything. What if we find something and it's too late and we can't go buy them?
What do you mean it's too late?
Like in the day.
Oh, yeah, we should go buy some, I guess.
But look at this view. Woo. It's like a like a tiny bit cold, so like I'm sure the water's hot though.
Let's try it. Dis-moi,
Oui.
Pourquoi on n'a pas une photo de Manitoba
Parce que
entre...
Manitoba sucks et que ils avaient pas de panneaux à leurs frontières. On était sur une petite route, du coup
Ouais.
il n'y avait pas de panneaux à la frontière. Donc là on va essayer de retourner là-bas.
On va aller ou non?
On peut y aller? Should I say everything once again?
Well, you should say that we
don't have a photo of the Manitoba sign because there wasn't one where we border we were at. So maybe we'll try to get one here, and if not, we don't have a photo of the Manitoba border, and Manitoba sucks anyway. But it's Be Real time. Hello.
Bonjour.
We're at what is it called?
Je ne sais pas.
We're
We're at Lodge Lake Park. It's just a rest stop, really close to the highway. There's a bunch of trucks that are waiting for something. But there's a nice lake.
So we stopped here like, I don't know, an hour and a half ago or something.
I'm trying to figure out where to throw this.
Oh.
I was doing circles. I'll demonstrate. I was like...
So yeah. I don't know what to say. We ate. We had some little bean salad and some little hot dogs. And there's a lot of mosquitoes, but that's fine, I guess. I just want to put the tent just because I'm stressed about the ticks in the car. And yeah, we're drinking a little tea. Then we're going to do some little music.
Are we?
Do you not want to?
No, we can. It's just, let's do it in the tent.
Okay. Day 10.
That's too many, I don't think. I think it's actually day 6.
That's not true. It's 26,
Are you-
and we left on
No.
the 17th, so it's day 10.
Oh my love and give me energy. It's no lie, you got me in my best jeans.
Trying a new method. Hi.
You're trying a new method?
Yeah.
You don't think this will be too long?
Non,
Je pense qu'un petit peu.
on va essayer.
Mais tu peux le faire en toi. C'est parce que c'est maintenant c'est en deux. Mais peut-être si tu fais en toi.
Mais en 3, c'est trop gros.
Non, en 4 c'est trop grosse. On n'a pas fait toi.
Hier, j'ai essayé, ça marchait pas.
Ouais?
The evergreens. Oh my, it's beautiful, paint the scene. You and I at the top of the trees on a rock, decking in the view.
Where are we? You don't know where we are? Bika Falls.
Bika Falls.
And the falls are here.
We're not doing the wet bit.
Yeah, and we just did a little trail. We wanted to do a longer trail, but it was closed, sadly.
Flooding.
We're getting a bit wet. But it's so refreshing actually. It's a bit cold. From my pocket.
It's a joke.
After leaving the falls, we went to this campsite that I knew from last time I went across the country. Video is on this channel if you want to see. But yeah, I knew it was an amazing spot, as you can see by this beautiful sunset. We ate some food, and then we just went to sleep, crashed in the tent.